Welcome to our technical analysis for the 2nd of June. My name is AUDUSD and today we'll be looking at 4 charts. First is Amazon, second is WTI, third is AUDUSD, and USDJPY. Enjoy the report. We start first with Amazon's 1-hour chart. So Amazon has been trading in an upward momentum since the 25th of May, and the trend peaked yesterday, the 1st of June, when the price action reached just below our currently noted R1 2520 resistance. We could be receiving signals that the upward trend continues if the R1 is actually engaged. Other levels we note to the upside are the R2 2595, which remains the highest price the share has traded since the 28th of April, making it a considerable parameter for the bulls. However, if the trend is to reverse, the sellers could potentially test the S1 2400 support first, as it was tested various times in the beginning of May and the 31st. If the selling is ongoing, we could also see the S2 2315 level coming into play, which was used as both a resistance and a support in the previous month. Please note below the S2, the price action would be moving in territory used for the most part of May and representing the lowest Amazon's share price has dropped to in the current year. For the H1 chart, the RSI indicator has been lifted above the crucial 70 level, with the buy orders far exceeding the selling ones. Please note Amazon's share has advanced for the past 2 consecutive weeks, confirming the bulls were in charge during that period. On the 3rd of June, Amazon will be carrying out a stock split of 1-20. Thus, caution is advised. We continue with WTI's 4-hour chart. In the past days, the commodity surged higher, breaking above the R1 115.15 resistance line and headed towards the R2 119.05 hurdle. During that movement, the RSI indicator surged and reached 76, signaling intense buying interest. However, an equally strong take-profit demand was carried out in the following days, pushing the price action much lower and sending the RSI nearby the 40 level in recent sessions. If the selling is extended, we note the S1 107.65 barrier possibly coming in focus. A move even lower may bring out the S2 104.30 support, which became evident on the 19th of May. At the moment, our personal view is for a wide sideways motion between the R2 119.05 hurdle and the S2 104.30 support. Yet, if the price remains above $110 per barrel, we maintain the possibility for some bullish appetite for WTI. In this scenario of a move testing the S3 100 support, we may see the trend turning into a selling one. Moving now to AUDUSD 4-hour chart. On the 1st of June, the currency pair clearly tested the R1 0.7225 resistance level, confirming its awareness among traders. Yet with the price action continuing lower, we now have a sideways motion between the R1 and the S1 0.7120 support. If the buying is extended, we could see the R2 0.7295 being checked, while if a strong selling momentum is carried out, we note the S2 0.7030 as a possible target. Please note AUDUSD fell to its lowest point since July 2020 on the 12th of May, when it breached our currently noted S3 0.6920 hurdle. Ever since, the trend has been steadily moving upwards, making the case for a bullish bias in the short term. The RSI indicator for the 4-hour chart remains just above 55, providing some evidence of buying in the latest sessions. Please note the US employment report coming up on the 3rd of June can impact the instrument's price action strongly. Finally, RBA will be having an interest rate decision on the 7th of June and could move the currency pair significantly. Finally, we close with USDJPY 4-hour chart. USDJPY is the biggest major currency pair gainer to the upside on a weekly basis for the time being. With the latest surge, the currency pair has been lifted in territory that was used for the first 10 days in May. This range consists of the R3 131.30 resistance and the S3 128.65 support. Between them, we highlight the R1 130.20 level, which was tested in the past days and formed our first resistance. Yet the trend may be stabilizing with some selling in the latest sessions. If the selling persists, the S1 129.60 could be tested first, while even lower the S2 129.25 is also imminent. Please note the RSI indicator seems to be returning down after a recent surge above 70. On a weekly basis, the instrument has gained very notably and has breached a 2-week high level, allowing us to keep a possible bullish bias for its further price direction. Once again, the US employment report coming up on the 3rd of June could move this pair also.